Ito naman po replay at sa inyo ng Santa Ana Park di sa Naik, Cavite, bida sa karera.
Also, galing. And under further outside is entry number 5, Andorra, Ever Charming Money Angel. As they race the last 700, Hajok, Starbucks Fancy, Suburban, and racing forward by about 3 lengths ang ating galing. And rounding the far Hajok, Suburban, Starbucks Fancy ang ating galing. Moving up by the rail as they race the final corner. It's now ang ating galing by about 3 lengths now. Followed by Hajok, Suburban, on the outside, Packet, Racket, and on the outside is Andorra. And nearing the finish line, ang ating galing now in full throttle and burning the tracks and winning this race by about 7 over number 7, Packet, Racket. Then comes Ninang Mill, number 10, Suburban.